hope you are good. Our video is talking about zebra. Let's start. A straight line, then curved line like this. Let's go down with another curved line and a straight line again. We're gonna paint the front of the face. Curved line like this. Just one eye. Zebras have lines. Let's draw them. The ears. The other one. A party hat. Just a triangle and a small fur. For the hair, just small lines. Let's paint the front of the face. Make 2 small circles for the nose. Let's start painting. To make it cuter, let's add cheeks. We're gonna add some small lights. Curved line like this. And on the other side. On this curved line, straight line like this. With the orange, draw small circles. With the yellow, we're gonna make it lighting. We're gonna draw a cute bird standing on the branch. Let's start with the branch. Lines like this. Now the bird. Half circle like this and the tail. The legs. Small circle for the eye. Don't forget the mouth. A cute party hat. The wing gonna be like this. let's start painting. We're done now. Hope you enjoyed. See you in next video. Follow Pinky Winky to see all my videos. Goodbye.